You know you only have to build 2 walls.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alright, because in between there, it'll span that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright.
Come on, Tim.
Huh? Sorry, GoProer.
Ow. Hot. Is it good enough for your home? There we go. Oh yeah. Is it? It's only going up to that line, right? Does the 32, the top up?
Is that what he said? I thought they were going all the way up. Okay.
Because they're doing stone at the bottom, right? So that line's the top of the stone.
He's right there anyway.
Thank you.
You said you wanted that one over top?
Yeah, so he has a middle. And then put another one underneath it.
Good.
So it gives you that center. That's 2 foot, isn't it? Or is that 1 foot? Oh, that's only 1 foot. No, he's fine. You don't need anything else. You gotta cut these windows get cut down. The window does. I have to cut them out.
So then I might be jaying to it, and the stone's not coming up to the bottom.
Stone's gonna come right up to the bottom.
So then I'll just have to jay in between.
Right, he's coming apart. Yeah. Probably not. I want it. Pro guy.
I know he does. He's one of those guys.
Alright, I'm going to get the excavator. You guys good here?
Yeah. Hadouken! 3/4. So should I try to get that flush then? Or should it down? That would actually be nice.
So that ain't gonna be like that.
For like $200.
Who's Condell?
The guy that
I think you're gonna have it up.
sit flush.
5, 6, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You're just gonna build a wall.
Why ain't this shit cleaned up yet, Tim?
Trump style. You're just gonna build a wall, a little wall here, a little wall here.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And then run 2x4s over the top.
Alright.
How big are they? Okay.
Hi.
9 inches looks smaller than it should. You got a right hand. Oh! Shit.
Pre-amateur pro of 125 bucks.
You know where you're all going down to? Yeah, you said that those windows are all getting cut down, so you get to the top of the stone. You just told me that you were going to Dude, that's crooked.
Chill out, dude.
So scary being on the other side of that.
Oh!
Let them be comfortable around here. Yeah. Kind of like what goes under the windows. I thought it was going all the way up. I was going to bring it all the way up and you get one big coat. Pound it up.
There we go.
Yep. That's it. Now stay true.
Yeah. Oh!
I need a dranky.
Oh!
How nice and square is that boy?
Oh my god. Oh, I tell you. Fuck.